Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. So today I'm going to share with you not one, not two, but 3 different easy, simple pie recipes. You are going to love these pies. They're so refreshing and so delicious, and they are perfect for the springtime. So let's get started. We're starting out with our double layer chocolate pie. You will need 2 packages of chocolate flavored instant pudding and pie filling, 1 1/4 cup of cold milk, now give your pie filling a really good stir until it's well blended. It will be super thick, as you can see here. We have 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip topping. We are adding half of this to our pudding mixture. Now, before you start using your whip topping, make sure that it is thawed out in the refrigerator before using. Now give this a really good stir until everything is well blended. Now add your pudding filling to your pie shell. I'm using a graham cracker pie crust. You can use an Oreo pie crust if you choose to do that also, especially if you love that chocolate flavor. Now spread your pie filling all the way through your pie shell, making sure it's evenly distributed. We're using the remaining portion of our 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. Add that to the top of your pie and spread out as evenly as possible. Now right here I am using a technique that my mother showed me how to make. You will get a little spatula and kind of pull it out and up to make some little soft peaks to the top of your pie. Now add some chocolate chips to the top of your pie. And now some chocolate shavings. I used a chocolate bar and used a paring knife and shaved some chocolate off of the chocolate bar and put that on top as well. You can serve this immediately right after your pie is completely ready, or you can place this in the refrigerator until you are ready to serve. Now on to our strawberry icebox pie. You will need 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip topping. Make sure that it is completely thawed out in the refrigerator prior to using. Place the entire tub of Cool Whip in a bowl. Now we're adding 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of fresh strawberries. I'm stirring this up just a little bit. And now I'm using my hand blender to blend everything up really well. Now the mix will be quite liquefied, but that's okay. So now we're pouring our mix into our graham cracker pie shell. You can use a deep dish pie shell here if you would like, but I did not do that this time. So now I'm adding our lid to our pie shell. Now carefully lift up your pie and place this in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. This is what your pie will look like once you bring it out of the freezer. Now add your topping, and I decided to add a fresh strawberry to the top. And you can serve this immediately or just go ahead and put it back in the freezer until you are ready. So now on to our cherry dream pie. You will need 3 egg yolks. Whisk those up just a little bit. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. 1/3 cup of lemon juice, and give this a really good blend and really good stir until it's all blended well. Now you'll place your pie filling inside of your graham cracker pie crust. Make sure you spread that out as evenly as possible. And place your pie in a 325-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Leave your pie on the counter for an hour to cool down. Then place your pie in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours until the pie sets. Now here I am adding my cherry pie filling. I did take the cherry pie filling out of the can, put it in a bowl, and let it chill before I add it to my pie. Add your whipped topping and another cherry on the top, and you are ready to eat. So what did y'all think about those pie recipes? They are so easy and perfect for the springtime. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on how do you cook back to basics. And if you did, please hit that like button. And please do consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. And not to mention, tell a couple of your friends about the channel. I would love to have them. Until next time, bye-bye now.